Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central for Warehouse Management. Today I'm going to show you how you can create zones in Business Central so that you can manage your warehouse more efficiently. Now, when it comes to warehouse management, we have three level of warehouse layout. So from the largest to the smallest, we've got the location, which I've got a location card open right now. We've also got the zones and we've got the smallest ones, which is the bins. So today we are going to look at the zone. So once you click on the zone, you will see it will open this other window up here where you can add the details to create a zone in Business Central. Now, I'm just going to add the details. So I'm going to create one that is called the stage zone. And then when it comes to the bin type code, you can choose to include it or not. So whether you want to mention it is a pick, a put away, or any other type of code, I'm going to leave it blank for now. And then in the warehouse class code, you will see we've got different options. So call frozen. Again, if you want to have other options that you can choose from, you can click on the new here and create other options. I'm going to click on call for now, and we also have a special equipment code. Again, we've got forklift for now. If you want to add any other special equipment that comes with the specific warehouse and the zone, you can click on new here to create any other special equipment. And then we've got the zone ranking. Now, the zone ranking is important because it is the hierarchical ordering of your bins. So it's really here to determine the priority of bins for picking and putting away items. So let's say for this one, I'm going to input the number 20. And then I'm going to create another one. Let's say I call this one bulk. So this is a bulk zone. And this one, let's say it is frozen. Let's say we don't need a special equipment. And let's say the zone ranking is 5. So as you can see, the number is smaller to the stage one, meaning that the stage zone is higher in priority when it comes to the bulk one. And now let's go ahead and create a last one. So I'm going to call it pick, so the picking zone. And I'm going to put this one at 100. So now we can really determine the priority when it comes to the zone ranking and the different zone that we've got in the warehouse. So this is how you go about creating zones in Business Central for warehouse management. Very easy and very quick. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I see you next time. Bye for now.